is maybe some elements who has taken it upon themselves to make governance difficult in our state, penetrating through this means to create additional problem. But if it has to do with the protesters, I don't have any fear. Their demands are germane, I understand. Hardship, bad governance. But like I always tell them, we must start from somewhere. Initial policies might not be friendly, but that is always at the end of it. If we are patient, tolerant, when I say patient and we are tolerant, there's no way the policies will not yield a positive progress and development for our state. I understand their feelings. Cost of living, cost of every aspect of it. Is it food? Is it cost to rent? Is it medical bills? We understand what is happening. But we were coming from somewhere very bad. And the government, right from the head, from the central, is trying to make sure that some of these things are properly addressed. You can't address them in one day. You can even see what's the exchange rates today. When the government came in, what was the exchange rate? It was below 300. But today we're doing 1,600. It's even a challenge to the government. So we are appealing as a government that everybody should be patient. I believe that with a little time, allowing these policies to materialize, things will be normalized. That is my feeling. I'm not scared. These ones are genuine protesters. There's no way anybody will hijack them. But we know those ones that have been masterminded or sponsored by some elements who believe they don't want this state to be peaceful. But we're working on that. And we are trying everything with the security agencies. We had a security meeting yesterday, and we assured everybody that, look, we'll put everything under control. So I'm not scared.
Just one last question, sir.
They propose a 10 days protest, is it not? We're just seeing how it works out today. The outcome of today will determine what happens tomorrow. So I don't have any fear. Whatever comes, thanks.